I get to go fishing. The weather's gone. The rain pushed off. It's gone. I got up this morning and it's just gone. We were supposed to have rain until like 10 o'clock this morning and it is nowhere to be found. And I checked the weather like on 3 different apps because I'm kind of OCD like that. I want to know what I'm getting into. But I checked it on multiple apps and the weather's just gone. There's no rain. There's no nothing. So guess what? We are going to go try to get some slime on our lures. And I don't mean catfish slime. They're nasty. No, we're gonna go bass fishing at a place that's in Plano today, and it's called Stoney Hollow Park. It's actually a really good park. I've caught some really nice bass there before, so we are gonna run over there and we're gonna try our luck. Hopefully it's not completely flooded out, and we're able to catch a few. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. I messed up, but stay tuned. Come on. Rain. No. You were supposed to be done. And yet, you're getting harder. That fish is back. And I might be able to get him to bite. And if I do, you're gonna see a really, really hard hook set because I don't want to miss him again. I told you, he had it. What the hell right in here? Come on. I just want to catch one at this point. You gonna let me do that? Weather? I mean, he's like right here. I can almost see him. He's staying right in that like area to where you can't see. And he's just like ambushing it. But the thing about it is you gotta move it like pretty fast or he will not take any interest in it at all. So I was like right in through there. You see him that time? I saw him come up and hit it. You saw it too. I don't think he took the whole thing in. Just needed to wait like another second longer. That one was smaller. That wasn't the same one. That was a separate. Got him that time. And you threw my worm. You little turd. This is what I spent all that time going after. Yeah, it is. You done? I was talking to the fish, asking if it was done. Now, I know your brother or sister is right out there. Will you go get them, please? Because I want to bite. I want them to bite too. I want to catch your older siblings. Like, go get your grandmother or your great-grandmother. That would work too. I think that was a no. I don't think he likes what I was asking him to do. Did he have it? There you go. Alright, I got it. Got it good. I got it done this time. And I need the pliers real quick. So I'm trying not to make them bleed everywhere either. See, I got another one of those rigged up. Yeah, well, it's not the first time I've seen a bobcat over it anyway. There's the hook. Let me get him back in the water since he's bleeding. Sorry, little guy. You'll be alright, though. Alright. Or you can just do that. Yeah, sure. Thanks. Make sure. Do I have any blood on the camera? Or water? She had it. She did. I waited too long. Yeah, it's coming right back in there, so you're gonna have to bite it again. Interesting. She only attacks it in certain areas. Like, I just put it outside of where I have been. She didn't even like take a second look at it. Maybe. It's either that or she's a late spawner. She's on a bed. Golly. She keeps hitting it, but she won't take the whole dang thing. No, she's barely, like, she's grabbing the claws. She's not taking the whole thing. And look how small that thing is. I even had to cut it down because it's been ripped so many times. Man. She's running up, hitting it. See, proof. She just ripped the pinchers off. Look at that. Just the pincher. Alright. This means war. I mean, that's just so weird. There we go. Got her that time. Yep. Whew. Finally. She was not going anywhere either. Good Lord. It's like in the top cartilage. She's pretty though. Where are you talking about? Like these? Oh, that's probably just grass. Yeah.
I was picking up.
Oh, no. Thank you, Chunky. Yeah, maybe. She's got a little belly on her. Need a Chunky. Alright. Back you go. Try not to splash me, please. Thank you. Alright.
I beat her today. I got two, she got one. I win.
And oh my goodness, there's a fly in my garage, like a horse fly. It's buzzing around me and it's driving me crazy. You might actually be able to see it like fly behind me here in a second because it just keeps circling. And yeah, it needs to go away. Anyways, we ended up going over to Stoney Hollow, as you saw. We did not have the greatest day in the world. I thought we were going to actually do a little bit better, especially since we still had cloud cover. And they just weren't seem to be there. Like, they weren't as aggressive as I thought that they were going to be. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. They're starting to pick back up, but I mean, it was just yesterday they were getting rained on. And even overnight we got rain. I don't know when exactly it stopped, but it did. And so I have a feeling that they just weren't being super aggressive because this is the first time that they've had a chance of actually, you know, that fly, oh my gosh. Anyways, first time that they've had a chance to actually like actively feed. And the ones that I did see and that we did catch, they were pretty much just guarding fry. We saw fry balls and then the bass was right behind them. And no real schooling or anything, or not a whole lot of surface activity. You know, it was run-of-the-mill after a front type fishing. So, first fish caught on the lunker log, 4-inch lunker log. The one Melissa caught using my rod and reel, by the way, so it should have counted as my fish since she was using my stuff on my rod and reel. Anyways, it was on the Guggen Dart, and this was the electric shad. It looked good, fished it. And the last one came on the Bandito bug, and this is the baby blue. And this is the 3.3, just like the lunker log. It's the 4-inch, not the bigger one. I don't remember the inch size, I ain't gonna lie, I just don't remember off the top of my head. But this is also the 5-inch dart. So that's what was working today. Okay. I realized that I made a mistake in what I said on what I caught the fish on. So that last fish went through 2 Bandito bugs, the baby blue Bandito bugs. But what I actually ended up catching them on was the rattling Ned. You can hear it. It likes to rattle. Each one has a rattle chamber inside of it. And I needed something small because it was short strike and it was just picking up the pinchers on it, and I needed something that was a little bit smaller, lower profile. So I put one of these on, and that's what I eventually caught it on. So my apologies, but I went through 2 or 3 Bandito bugs before I switched over to this because it was tearing them up so fast. So anyways, back to the regular video. It turned out to be really good. No monsters like the ones that Melissa caught on Friday. And if you haven't seen that, I'll link the video down here. I think it's going to pop up like right here. But check that video out. And hopefully I'm going to keep the videos coming. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything of that nature, please put them down in the comments below. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe this video so that the analytics start kicking in and my videos start getting pushed out a little bit more. So I'm starting to get a little bit more serious with this. Hopefully you'll be able to see more content and different variety of content. So keep a lookout, and as always, keep catching.